How to fix Spotify Student Premium not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Spotify Student Premium not working. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So the reason why your Spotify Student Premium is not working can be anything. It can be a small glitch, or your university or your school might not have a verified account. So that is also what matters. So what you can do is you can simply head over to Spotify on your web browser, and whenever you are trying to just get a premium, tap on get premium, and after you're there, if you do not already have an account, head over here, tap on view all plans, and scroll down till you find the student option. Now, as you can see right here, you can use the student premium for a lot cheaper than your usual premium versions. So whenever you try to register for this, what you'll need to do is make sure that you have a verified account. Now, the verified account is not only of your own personal account but also of your student. Now, your student account, that is your university's or school's account, also need to be verified. If you already have the account but your premium is not working, try to log in using your web browser. After you do that, you should be able to log in. The only fix is that log in your browser and you're good to go. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.